Now important question we are having, limit x approaches to 2 3x minus 2 x plus 2. Now again if we are approaching 2 here in place of x, then what we are having, 6 minus 2, that is 4 under root of 4 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4 under root of 4 is 2, 2 minus 2 becomes 0 and denominator is also 0. So this is 0 upon 0 form. So let us rationalize it. X square minus 4, 3x minus 2 x plus 2, x plus 2, 3x minus 2 plus x plus 2. By rationalization. Limit x approaches to 2, x square minus 4, 3x minus 2 plus x plus 2 upon x plus 2 whole square. Okay. Now this further becomes limit x approaches to 2, x square minus 4 upon root 3x minus 2, root 3x minus 2 plus root x plus 2 upon 3x minus 2 and x plus 2, 3x minus 2 minus x plus 2. Limit x approaches to 2, x square minus 4, 3x minus 2 plus x plus 2 upon 3x minus 2 minus x minus 2. Okay. Limit x approaches to 2, x minus 2, x plus 2, 3x minus 2, x plus 2 upon, now 3x minus x, this is what, 2x minus 4, this one. Okay. Now we can cancel this with this. So we are having now 2 plus 2, 6 minus 2, 2 plus 2 upon 2, 4 times. Now root 2, so root 4 and root 4, this becomes 2, this becomes 2. 8 answers.